Wow, I wonder what this is. This is awesome. Awesome, this is great. Hey guys, Bill Dow here. Thank you very much. This is my trophy from the top 4 PMO influencers in the world. I'm about to open it up. I'm really excited. I want to thank everyone and I'm super excited. So here we go. We're opening it up. This is what it looks like. Actually, you know what? Let me just grab the paperwork first and get that out of there before I cut it open. Ooh, it's a little tough. That's okay. But I am super excited about this. I can't wait to see what this trophy looks like. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna cut it open. This came all the way from America. And I really appreciate being part of all the Global PMO Awards. Great packaging job, that's for sure. Let me open that up. Let me keep cutting it. So, wow, they did a great job packaging. It came from Brazil. So, I'm really excited about this. All right, here we go. We're opening. Wow, this is beautiful. Holy, wow. This is like Christmas morning. Wow, what an amazing job. Okay, let me just put that aside. Wow, this is beautiful. What a beautiful box. Wow. Let me look. Oh, that is incredible. Wow, look at this. I'll just lift this up here. What a beautiful package. Wow, America, thank you very much. Thank you everyone who voted for me. I really appreciate it. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm actually going to leave it in its package because it's so nice. It is so nice, and they gave me a nice little letter, so thank you on behalf of the PMO Global Awards. Thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it. Super excited to be recognized across the industry. I really thank you all very much. Thank you.